Hi. So in this chapter, we will learn about how to get an output of a variable. In the previous video, you have seen all those things, how to get the output via print command. But in this video, I will tell you what the print command actually is. Okay. Look, in Python, basically, okay, first let me write the heading. Python output variable. Okay. Wait. This is hyphen and end. Okay. Look, in Python, basically print function is often used to get the output of a variable. Okay. Like what we have seen in the past, like in X, let me write my name is Sharad. Okay. If I'll print the X here, what will happen? My name will be printed. My name is X. This sentence is printed. Means print command basically output you the function. Okay, the function which is written in X or a variable. And even in the print function, you can output multiple variables, even separated by commas. Okay, which is really a meaningful and a beautiful way to organize the things. Let me show you it again by example. Just suppose X is equal to Sharad. Okay, then Y is equal to is. Okay, and then Z is equal to bad boy. Okay, now if I'll print these all together, X comma Y comma Z, so what will happen? Sharad is bad boy. Okay, you got the output. You can here you can also use the plus operator to output multiple variables. So what is the meaning of this? Like just let me copy this. Let me copy this first. Copy, and then I am pasting it here. So what I am telling you is X, don't use comma now in the print. You can use the plus operator. Okay, and here in place of comma also you can use plus operator. Okay, let me run it. Look, Sharad is bad boy, but the problem here is in the previous example we can see if you will use comma, then it will automatically separate it by space. But when I am using this plus command, it is not giving me the space. So if you will in any case use the plus command, then try to get an space between the variables. Okay, this, and it will show you the correct output. Sharad is bad boy. Okay, now space is there. But the problem with this plus is if you will use it in any application, then the string will contain a nan value. It is not a number basically. And if you will use for the data analytics or data science, then this space will definitely trouble you out. So try to use this. Don't use this one. I shown you because it is a syntax. You must understand this, why you should use this and why not this. Okay. Okay, so now this plus, if you will talk about this plus, then it can be used as a numeric operator also, because here it is a concatenation. String cannot be added to any string. Okay, you will get an string only. So we are using here it as an concatenation, but if you will use it in a logical value, in a numeric value, then it will give you the output. Like just suppose X is equal to 5 and Y is equal to 10. Okay, if you will print this print x then plus y, then it will show you the 15, not the concatenation. It will not come to 510. It will show you the operator value, so called 15. Okay, in the print function, basically when you try to combine a string and a number with the plus operator, then Python will give you the error. What I mean to say is, just suppose here I am taking 5 as a numeric value, and here I am taking Sharad as a string value. And if I will try to combine these string and number with the plus operator, then what will happen? Let's see. Print x now plus y. It will show me the error. It's why, because string can't be add with a number, right? It is unsupported operand type. Int and string, these can't be concatenated, these can't be combined. You can combine a string with a string or a integer with an integer. Okay, so don't try this, don't do this. Okay, now you can control X and control V, paste, sorry, control V. Okay, let me remove this because it will trouble me. Okay, the best way to output multiple variables in the print function is to separate them with a commas. Okay, and even which support the different data types which I told you here. So just try to do this thing, don't try to use this plus option. Okay, it is not commonly used. If it is mostly used for concatenation of the strings only. Okay, so hope you understood this chapter of output variables. Okay, in the next chapter I will tell you about the global variable, which is again a very important topic for understanding. Okay, so see you then in the next video. Bye bye.